Hello everyone and welcome to day 24 of Vlogmas, and Merry Christmas Eve to all of those that celebrate, and Happy Holidays to those celebrating some other traditional holidays this season. Today we're not doing much. It is currently like 11:30 and we've just been relaxing all morning. I just showered. I'm wearing my Santa Mickey shirt, very festive, and I have my gingerbread Old Navy sweater that I've been wearing this season over here in case I get cold because it's a chilly rainy day again. And we have the windows open, of course, because we love the fresh air. But today I think we're just going to relax, play some video games, watch some movies, watch more of The Mandalorian, hopefully, because I want to, keep up with that. I know the last episode of this season comes out Friday, so trying to get up to speed on that. But today's going to be a chillax day, maybe some baking in the future. I know Sam currently has a headache, so we're not going to do that right now. So hopefully after some rest and relaxation we'll all be good and all ready to go for some baking later and playing some games later, because I would really enjoy that. But I hope you guys are excited for this day of Vlogmas, and I hope you guys are having fun celebrating with your family and friends, and I hope you enjoy today's vlog. So we ate dinner and watched the movie Noel that's on Disney Plus. It was really, really cute. Highly recommend it. If you guys are, off, definitely watch it. It's really, really cute. And now we're headed off to go see the lights in the park in the car. We have our toys to donate right before Christmas. It'll be perfect. And we're going to go see them, and I'll film them all for you guys. We just made it back from the Christmas lights, which were so fun and so beautiful, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the montage of them as well. I tried to get as many as I could, but they were on both sides of the vehicle, and there were lots of other people around, and it was kind of slow moving, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. We're now currently in our matching PJs, ready for Christmas Eve. We're just going to watch more of The Mandalorian and probably another movie before we head to bed. But I hope you guys enjoyed day 24 of Vlogmas, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas and holiday as you celebrate with friends and family. And thank you guys so much for watching and spending some time with me this holiday season. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another episode of Vlogmas.